This is not something that you get to do on an everyday basis.
वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ द मॉर्निंग रिपोर्ट। पिछले आईसेट भोपाल का वीडियो में मैंने विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन यानी वीवीएम प्रोग्राम का नेशनल लेवल कैंप दिखाया था, जिसमें क्लास 6 से 11 तक के बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। उस नेशनल लेवल कैंप से जो बच्चे नेशनल और जोनल रैंक जीते वे सृजन इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम के लिए सिलेक्ट होकर नाइपर मोहाली में आए। यहाँ आप प्रोग्राम का इनाग्रेशन देख रहे हैं। ये 5 दिन का रेसिडेंशियल प्रोग्राम था, जिसमें बच्चों और पेरेंट्स को नाइपर के हॉस्टल में रहने का मौका मिला। नाइपर यानी नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च। It was such a beautiful campus which was full of greenery. यहाँ जगह जगह पर आपको मोर देखने को मिलेंगे। ये प्रोग्राम के तहत बच्चे सुबह उठकर फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग में पार्टिसिपेट करते थे। बाद में तैयार होके वो बाकी प्रोग्राम के लिए जाते थे। During this program, they got to participate in renowned institutions like ISET Mohali, INST, यानी Institute of Nanoscience and Technology, IIT Ropar, CSIR IMTech, DRDO DGRE and CSIR CSIO. इसके अलावा उन्हें आनंदपुर साहिब और सुखना लेक देखने का भी मौका मिला। हर रोज शाम को बच्चों को बहुत सारे नामी ग्रामी बुद्धिजीवियों से मिलने का मौका मिलता था, जो अपने आप में एक अनोखा एक्सपीरियंस था। अब आइए कुछ पेरेंट और स्टूडेंट से उनके एक्सपीरियंस जानते हैं।
What's your name?
My name is Roshan Khanna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
And how did you like this program?
This program was really informative because initially even I thought that all science labs would be the same, but then after experiencing the various labs, we can truly realize that science as a subject is really vast, and even within a particular field like biology, you can have different subdivisions like cellular biology or pharmaceuticals. So it was a really enlightening experience.
So what's your future plan after coming here?
Well,
Is there any change in plan, by the way?
I mean, there might be a change in the outlook or how I approach my plans, because we've had really great speakers come over and share their experiences. So even that really helped and change my outlook on what I might pursue.
आप बताइए अपने बारे में।
This is Kannan. I am father of Roshan. It was paid for the Srijan internship, and I am really proud of him and the way he has qualified for this internship. And a big thanks to VVM team, right? So they have actually exceptionally handled the logistics and taken care of the kids, for the 5 days. Right? So it's not easy.
It is not an easy task.
It's not an easy task, right? It's not a joke actually. And on the other side, if you see this, right? So the kids got a chance to visit institute labs, starting from IIT Ropar, DRDO, ICER,
Even in our childhood, we couldn't think about it.
So we couldn't be able to get this chance. In a sense, I'm slightly envy that they got this opportunity.
I think the experience was absolutely fascinating because this is not something that you get to do on an everyday basis. It's more like a once in a lifetime experience where you go to different labs that are mostly closed for the public, and then you actually get to interact, do hands-on experience and ask your questions that you've been keeping in your mind for so long to various eminent scientists, and they actually answer those questions and they help enlighten your curiosity in core sciences.
With this, do take care of yourself, stay safe, stay happy. This is Vikram Rautrai signing off from the Morning Report.